What this called?
Spinner Cove Park.
Spinner Cheltenham Park.
It's a sail on the boat. Spinnaker is right at the front. It's right at the front of the boat. And you put it on when you want to go super fast.
Which one?
It's a cafe.
Oh, it's nice. Very nice in here, but it's...
Might be a nice job.
Huh?
It'd be nice for you to have a bit of time off. You can take the cars and explore all day.
It's nice, huh?
There's actually not much to see once you get out of Gladstone. It's a big, very, very spread out. Like you have to go 100 kilometres to another town.
Yeah.
Just go on.
Yeah.
And then a few of these.
Nakarat. Ang ganda. Nakarating din kami, guys. Pero ang ganda dito, oh. Ah. Ang ganda, oh.
I think I sailed the boat back to the yacht club one day, and then we capsized one day as well. And it wasn't my fault; it was somebody else's fault. I think going out to those islands is forbidden now because of the
How come?
LNG plant. But that one's cold there. Like they won't grow in. They probably won't grow in.
Sparkly ocean.
Nakarating din kami sa Gladstone
Warm enough
pero hindi
here.
pa kami nagpapalit. Hindi pa kami nagpapalit kasi yung bagahe namin is naiwan. So, what time is it now? Darating pa yung bagahe namin ng mga ano,
We got time.
11. Ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda dito. It's so nice, bebe. But it's only for, oh, be careful, ha. Wala na.
Well, I was here 18 months, and I don't think I ever went out to those islands.
So nice.
You have.
Ang ganda siya dito, guys, pero it's nice, but it's only for tourists, I think.
Oh, you can come here, but I don't know whether I get the time. I'm sure I'll be working just as hard here as I am.
Oh, come on. The other side is nice also.
The question is whether you want to work as hard.
Nakarating din kami, pero ganun talaga ang layo. Tapos bukas uwi na kami ulit. So, ang ganda. Pag-visit lang. Diba? Totoo. Hmm? Blue ang sky nila dito. Floods. Oh, ang ganda.
What there is that there's a very long island, and then the other side of that island is the open sea. So that's why the sea is very calm.
Yeah, that's
And then
the barrier.
And then
That's
the barrier. It's
yeah,
the
the
southern edge
barrier.
of the barrier reef.
Yeah.
The very southern edge. Great Barrier Reef is out there, about 200 kilometres.
This is nice, though.
Well, it has advantages to Singleton, but then
Right.
it has disadvantages
Yan ang yung mga yate.
in that it's stinking.
That's where the yacht. Yeah?
Yacht club, yeah.
Yacht club. Nila.
It has advantages.
Yacht club nila. Pag sa tourist, okay lang. Pero pag yung pupunta. Siyempre sa umpisa, okay lang. Pero pag dito ka na tumira, ibang,
25 degrees.
dito ka na tumira, ibang level na yan. Ibang level.
What was it in Singleton?
I don't know, I
18
didn't
or
check.
something?
18, yeah.
18, 17?
So dito is how many? 25?
Yeah, it's
Diba?
about 5 degrees warmer
So
than
ano pala
Singleton.
to? Summer Cheltenham.
Summer all year round, basically.
Summer all year round.
Except for 2 weeks, I think they said.
And then we bring long sleeve and leggings. Oh my
Now
goodness.
that's why I didn't bring my coat. Well, I was cold on the plane yesterday.
So, yeah, that's our design.
A bit like Newcastle, so the trains go through Singleton, Fulham. A bit the same here. The coal is a bit further inland.
Yes, coal. Yan yung coal check.
Yeah, see the boats. I think there's 3 at least. Loading, maybe even 4. Probably got Filipino crew
Maybe.
or Indian crew.
Ay, nakaupo din kami ni Waltery. You know, nakaupo means? Nakaupo means sitting down. Ang ganda rin dito sa kwarto namin. Gladstone, what? Hotel? Yeah. So, malis na si Daddy Ben, pero
And then
hindi pa tayo,
meeting.
hindi pa tayo na,
Engineers meeting.
hindi pa tayo na, what? Nali?
Go.
Wala pa kaming ligo simula kahapon. na-delay yung eroplano namin. Diyos ko, Rudy. Tapos nag-check-in kami. Meron kami accommodation. Ay nako, napaka-disaster ang trip namin na to ng Waltery. Diba? Oh my God. Tiring. Tapos mainit pa dito.
School's still starting.
School? Where? In here?
Singleton.
Yeah. Tapos mainit pa dito. Summer. Summer siya. Hindi katulad sa amin na malamig. You know malamig means, John? Malamig is...
Sleep.
No, malamig is cold. It's winter in Singleton. Here, it's not. It's very sunny and summery. Di ba? Summery.
Summer.
Yeah, summer heating dito sa Gladstone. Yun nga, ang dala namin is long sleeve. Long sleeve ang dala.
Bruh.
ko.
It literally just has
The dice level. Ewan.
Singleton right here. I'm in Gladstone right now.
So, matulog muna kami ni Waltery.
Oh.
We go to sleep first, bebe. No? While waiting for daddy. Yeah? And then, bahala na, kumain naman na kami. Hindi pa ako nag-dinner kagabi. Hindi pa ako nag-dinner kasi, ewan, kung anong oras na kami nakaano. Diyos ko, Rudy. Ay, nako. Yung pinuntahan namin kanina is, ano siya? Ano yan? Pang tourist na maganda. Diyos ko, napaka, ano ko na, oh. Wala pa ako sa wish yung mag-ayos. So, pwede bang magkape muna tayo? Tapos, ang tawag dun? Basta. Tapos, kapagod to the highest level. Ano ba tong problem na ito? Tapos wala pang kutsara. Anong panghalo natin dito, Waltery? Ito na lang. Okay. Recyclable. Diba? Diyos ko. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan, Waltery? Tapos yun, naiwan ang bagahe namin, di ba? O, kanina lang dumating. Tapos ang ano ni Daddy Ben is 2:00. O, di ba? Tumawag siya. Ito, ay, di ko alam. Hindi ko alam ibig sabihin. Grabe. Kape. Kape is life. Guys, papakita ko sa labas. Wait lang. Yan, dito sa labas. Ang sarap magtampisaw. Yan ang Gladstone. Ganda. So, kala ko sa kami napunta eh. Sarap yung Gladstone. Tara ako try ng bed dito guys. So, ganda ng swimming pool oh. Pero sa tingin ko walang pambata. Ito lang. Sarap magtampisaw oh. Oh my God! Pero wala kaming damit na pang summer. Puro pang winter. Diba? My goodness me.